Oh look, a package. It's from Nilight. I needed yellow chase lights, so I hit them up, and in the box we have online instructions and warranty, all the necessary installation hardware, and a 16 gauge 3-wire switch and relay harness with fuses and connectors. These are going to bolt to your battery. Black is negative and red is positive. These guys here will plug into your lights. There's 2 pairs, one for each light. In case you forget, the lights have a label on them to remind you black wires to black wires and red wires to red wires. These connectors have marine grade sleeves for protection, which is pretty sweet. Here's the switch, which is already wired up. And this connector here makes installation easier. There's also a fuse included in the harness. Lastly, we got the pair of 36 watt, 4-inch yellow spot beam pattern LED lights. These lights look so good in person. I'm really impressed with the quality. I ended up doing this on the truck, but now is the best time to add those marine grade spade connectors in the bag to the lights. Let's prep for install. You'll need to add a flat washer to the Allen head screw and throw them on the bracket like this. Put a hex head bolt on the bracket like this and attach the bracket to the light housing by threading the Allen head screw to the captive nut on the light housing. Use the provided Allen key to tighten the bracket into your desired position. Then repeat for the other bracket and light. Don't forget the washer, lock washer, and nut for the hex bolt. And now, these are ready to go on the truck. For chase lights, you want to mount them up high. Oh, these look so good already, don't they? With them in position, let's run the wires for the harness. Find a good spot to install the relay and pass the switch wire through the firewall. Connect the battery wires last, at the very end. Run your leads up to your lights. If you're roof mounting your lights, I highly recommend using one of these strips for the windshield. It's super easy to use, secure, and has a really clean look. Depending on your situation, you may have to extend this part of the harness, but for me, it was a perfect fit. Separate the switch from the harness to make this next step easier. Electrical tape and a metal coat hanger might be primitive, but it works. Install the switch in your desired location. Connect your battery wires last, and voila! check these out. Big thanks to Nilight.